Hello everyone, this is Neo. Welcome back to the Petscop YouTube tutorial series, and today we're going to be implementing the actual UI. Let's get started. Go to Manage Items, go to Button, click on Button, and select Colors through Import, then select Font. You'll see it's all selected here, then you gotta go to Import Selected. Next, we're going to go to Button, then we're going to choose a color for all of our buttons. Next, we're going to go to Text, and for our rich text label, we're just going to import all the colors. From here, we're also going to change the colors. Be sure to also set the font for our buttons here so they actually change. Next, we're going to add our art folder just to organize a little bit. From here, we will import our buttons. Button, we'll then go to Manage, then click on Style Boxes and import all. Go to the styles and we'll change the styles. Alright, for the final step, this will require you to restart your program. So you'll choose a custom font, which will be here, and then you'll choose the custom theme. Then you will have to save and restart. So this will automatically make it to where you don't have to keep applying button themes or any form of themes as long as you specify what you want to change. Now that we're back, you can see that our settings have been applied. And without having to manually change, we have all the buttons set. Thank you for watching. All our files will be available in the GitHub down below. Be sure to leave a comment and a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.